To edit tags in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin account and navigating to the Products section. Here you will see a list of all your products, each with its own set of tags. Tags in Shopify are used to organize and categorize products, making it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. To edit tags, click on the product you want to modify, and then click on the Edit button. This will take you to the product details page, where you can see the existing tags. To add a new tag, simply type it into the tag field and click Add. You can add multiple tags by separating them with commas. To remove a tag, click on the X next to the tag you want to delete. You can also use the bulk editor to edit tags for multiple products at once. To do this, select the products you want to edit, and then click on the Edit Products button. From here, you can add or remove tags for all the selected products. Best practices for editing tags in Shopify include using relevant and descriptive tags, keeping the number of tags to a minimum, and using a consistent naming convention. It is also a good idea to use tags that are commonly used in your industry, as this will help with search engine optimization. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively edit tags in Shopify and improve the organization and discoverability of your products. This will make it easier for customers to find what they are looking for, and will ultimately drive more sales and revenue for your business.